according sa forecast kanang kuan siya rainy. Wala na ko tagda. Paglingi na ko. Yawa, kadako sa tagum. Yan naka sneakers ko. Sige lang. Taon tani. Ahapay. So in saying that by good morning. I'm heading to Sunshine right now. Maribir nang may shoot but nagsayo ko kay mag-drop ko files kan Johnny. I'm heading out right now. So hoping mawala na ring ulan niya kay di ko na mabasa ang sapatos. Anyway, I'll be shooting for with Billy right now and yeah, that's it. Hoping di mo grabing ulan. Shooting a wedding for Marlon today. I'm a photographer si Alex. I work for Alex also, so it's a whole community. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. I think it's 13 hours for today. Yeah, 13 hours. See how we go. So yeah, sayo ko nabot nga rin. Supposed to arrive here around sakto rin kay dito ko lang ka Johnny kanina, drop off the stuff. Funny thing is akong ibutang sa door, and this is a picture of that thing. And nakatanan na Johnny, fuck, get it out, because I forgot this is Sunshine and a lot of crazy things happening here. I'm not gonna mention it. But yeah, right now nanasab ko nga rin. I'm waiting for this place to open. And yeah, that's called Papa Bear. That's where I got our hopya. There's ube hopya also here. They have twisted donuts. But anyway, I'm gonna wait for them to open 9. I'm gonna start shooting at 10, and among location currently is like 8 minutes away from here, so that should be good. Yeah. So good day, guys. I just delivered the hard drive. It has the files from yesterday's shoot to Johnny, and I left it in the door. This is the photo, and then Johnny replied, "Fuck, I forgot. This is Sunshine, and you know." Crazy things happen here. So yeah, I put it on his mailbox, and at this point I'm on my way. I'm just here right now. I'm here at this place here. I'm waiting for it to open. This one here, that one. So it's called Papa Bear. That's where I buy the hopya and a lot of custard cakes and everything else. So yeah, I'm excited to get my hopya right now. They open at 9, so I have 7 minutes to go. And then I'll be heading to the shoot. The shoot we're gonna have today is around the preparation is around 8 minutes from here, and then we're gonna head all the way to Rockford, which is an hour plus away. So yeah, there's that. I'll see how we go today. I don't know if I'll be able to vlog. It's gonna be a busy day. A lot of things happening, but we'll see how we go. Yeah, we'll see how we go. Yeah, kuan gigutom sa gamay, kanang gigutom sa gamay. Boy, kaon. It's around padung na 9 o'clock. Ngit na rin. Padung na ayag na rin YouTube lights. Padung na 9 o'clock, so yeah, hoping makakaon ko. I'm just gonna eat here. Yeah, I'm gonna eat bread. Not good, but it's bread.
heading to the sides, guys. All right. Let's give our couple a very warm welcome for the first time in their first dance. Please